Click on the link below to get price. The DriStorm AOne-90L CT-180 Pint, 22, 5 gallons, XL Industrial Dehumidifier is a powerhouse in moisture management, perfectly suited for large-scale industrial applications. With its impressive capacity of 180 pints per day and a durable design, this unit is engineered to tackle high humidity levels effectively and efficiently. One of the standout features of the AOne-90L is its robust extraction capability. It can handle environments up to 3,500 square feet, making it ideal for warehouses, basements, and construction sites. The integrated pump allows for continuous drainage, ensuring you won't have to frequently empty the reservoir. This feature is particularly useful in critical situations where maintaining low humidity levels is essential for equipment preservation and mold prevention. The design is both functional and user-friendly. The digital control panel is easy to navigate, providing options for humidity settings, fan speeds, and a timer. Additionally, the built-in hygrometer gives real-time humidity readings, allowing for precise adjustments. This level of control ensures optimal performance tailored to specific environments. Constructed with high-quality materials, the AOne-90L is built to last. Its sturdy frame can withstand demanding conditions, while the compact design and heavy-duty wheels promote easy mobility. Even in larger spaces, this dehumidifier remains relatively quiet, making it suitable for various settings without causing excessive noise. Energy efficiency is another plus. With a 120-volt power requirement, it consumes less electricity than many comparable models, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term use. In conclusion, the DriStorm AOne-90L CT-180 Pint XL Industrial Dehumidifier stands out for its powerful performance, user-friendly features, and durable construction. It seamlessly marries efficiency with effectiveness, making it a smart investment for any industrial setting plagued by humidity issues. If you're in the market for a reliable and high-capacity dehumidifier, this model is undoubtedly worth considering.